Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where we go through possible questions and answers for the Social Studies test for Chapter 7 Part 1, Health and Lifestyle in Norway. Let's get started with the questions. Question 1. What does the Public Health Service in Norway provide for children and youth under 19 years old? A. Free regular dental checkups. B. Free hospital care only. C. Free gym memberships. D. Free medications. Correct answer, A. Free regular dental checkups. Question 2. How much do young adults pay for dental care in the public system in Norway? A. 50%. B. 25%. C. 75%. Correct answer, B. 25%. Question 3. What is the recommended number of times one should visit the dentist as an adult in Norway? A. Once a year. B. Twice a year. C. Every 6 months. Correct answer, A. Once a year. Question 4. What is the primary responsibility of parents regarding children's oral health? A. Buying dental insurance. B. Brushing their children's teeth twice a day. C. Limiting sugar intake and ensuring dental hygiene. Correct answer, C. Limiting sugar intake and ensuring dental hygiene. Question 5. What is the consequence of poor care of milk teeth? A. The child develops allergies. B. Permanent teeth can also be damaged. C. Poor eyesight. Correct answer, B. Permanent teeth can also be damaged. Question 6. What is family planning? A. Deciding the number of children and when to have them. B. Adopting children. C. Building a home for a family. Correct answer, A. Deciding the number of children and when to have them. Question 7. Which contraceptive method protects against sexually transmitted infections? A. P-pill. B. P-stav. C. Condom. Correct answer, C. Condom. Question 8. What does a P-stav do? A. Prevents sperm movement. B. Releases hormones to prevent ovulation. C. Blocks the uterus. Correct answer, B. Releases hormones to prevent ovulation. Question 9. Who performs the insertion of a spiral contraceptive? A. Pharmacist. B. Midwife. C. General practitioner or gynecologist. Correct answer, C. General practitioner or gynecologist. Question 10. What is the key goal of antenatal, pregnancy, checkups? A. Detect birth complications early. B. Ensure the health of mother and baby. C. Collect data for research. Correct answer, B. Ensure the health of mother and baby. Question 11. What is the general attitude in Norway towards mental health today? A. Stigmatized and avoided. B. Open and understanding. C. Ignored completely. Correct answer, B. Open and understanding. Question 12. What is the primary role of a psychologist? A. Prescribing medication. B. Offering professional support through discussions. C. Conducting surgery. Correct answer, B. Offering professional support through discussions. Question 13. What is the first phase of the migration process? A. Depression. B. Optimism and excitement. C. Frustration. D. Acceptance. Correct answer, B. Optimism and excitement. Question 14. What is a common experience in the second phase of migration? A. Feeling completely at home. B. Exhaustion and longing for the past. C. Increased energy and positivity. Correct answer B. Exhaustion and longing for the past. Question 15. What marks the third phase of migration? A. Moving back to the home country. B. Total frustration with the new society. C. Acceptance and adaptation. Correct answer C. Acceptance and adaptation. Question 16. What helps individuals feel more integrated during the adaptation process? A. Retaining only old values. B. Rejecting the host country's culture. C. Balancing old and new values. Correct answer C. Balancing old and new values. Question 17. What might trigger phase 2 for migrants? A. Language barriers. B. Lack of family support. C. Struggles with new systems. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question 18. What is the primary goal of health stations for children in Norway? A. Promote overall well-being through regular checkups. B. Provide emergency medical care. C. Offer recreational activities. Correct answer A. Promote overall well-being through regular checkups. Question 19. What are Norwegian children routinely vaccinated against? A. Minor colds. B. Serious diseases. C. Infections from animals. Correct answer B. Serious diseases. Question 20. Who provides regular health services to school-aged children in Norway? A. General practitioners. B. Private hospitals. C. School health services. Correct answer C. School health services. Question 21. What is the cost of health services for children in Norway? A. Partially subsidized. B. Fully free. C. Covered only by insurance. Correct answer B. Fully free. Question 22. If a child is ill, who should the parents contact first? A. Teacher. B. School health nurse. C. Family doctor, fastlege. Correct answer C. Family doctor, fastlege. Question 23. Why is it important to take care of milk teeth? A. To prevent cavities in childhood only. B. To ensure healthy permanent teeth. C. To avoid bad breath. Correct answer B. To ensure healthy permanent teeth. Question 24. At what age does free dental care end in Norway? A. 18 years. B. 16 years. C. 19 years. Correct answer C. 19 years. Question 25. What is one of the main parental responsibilities for children's oral health? A. Taking them to private dentists. B. Brushing their teeth daily. C. Providing sugar-rich diets. Correct answer B. Brushing their teeth daily. Question 26. What is the primary purpose of contraceptives? A. To avoid sexually transmitted diseases. B. To prevent unintended pregnancies. C. To enhance fertility. Correct answer B. To prevent unintended pregnancies. Question 27. Which contraceptive requires a doctor's assistance to insert or remove? A. Condom. B. P-stav. C. Spermicide. Correct answer B. P-stav. Question 28. What is the only contraceptive method used by men? A. Spiral. B. Condom. C. People. Correct answer, B. Condom. Question 29. What does the psychologist's confidentiality mean? A. They cannot share what is discussed without consent. B. They report everything to authorities. C. They share the details with family. Correct answer, A. They cannot share what is discussed without consent. Which statements are correct? The welfare state has systems in place to ensure that everyone has access to medical care and medications. People in Norway have shorter lives now than they did in the past. Cancer and cardiovascular diseases are the most common causes of death in Norway. Diabetes, depression, and malnutrition are more prevalent among immigrants than Norwegians. Physical health is more important than mental health. Correct statements are: the welfare state has systems in place to ensure that everyone has access to medical care and medications. Cancer and cardiovascular diseases are the most common causes of death in Norway. Diabetes, depression, and malnutrition are more prevalent among immigrants than Norwegians. Which statements are correct? Outpatient treatment means you receive care at a hospital but are not admitted. Everyone working in the healthcare sector has a duty of confidentiality. Pregnancy checkups cost between 150 and 300 kroner. You must call 113 if someone becomes seriously ill or injured and needs immediate help. A general practitioner is, for example, a gynecologist, dermatologist, or ear-nose-throat doctor. Correct statements are: outpatient treatment means you receive care at a hospital but are not admitted. Everyone working in the healthcare sector has a duty of confidentiality. You must call 113 if someone becomes seriously ill or injured and needs immediate help. Which statements are correct? Birth control pills are small plastic rods inserted under the skin. An intrauterine device, IUD, is inserted into a woman's uterus by a doctor. Condoms are the only contraceptive method that protects against sexually transmitted infections. In Norway, it is recommended to have 8 to 12 pregnancy checkups during pregnancy. Correct statements are: an intrauterine device, IUD, is inserted into a woman's uterus by a doctor. Condoms are the only contraceptive method that protects against sexually transmitted infections. In Norway, it is recommended to have 8 to 12 pregnancy checkups during pregnancy. Which statements are correct? Many people experience various mental health issues during their lifetime. Only those who are genetically predisposed can have mental health problems. Stress can trigger mental health issues. A general practitioner can refer patients to a psychologist. Most people believe it is possible to recover from mental health disorders. Correct statements are: many people experience various mental health issues during their lifetime. Stress can trigger mental health issues. A general practitioner can refer patients to a psychologist. Most people believe it is possible to recover from mental health disorders. Which statements are correct? Our identity is shaped by our traits and personality characteristics. Everyone in Norway identifies as heterosexual. Today, there is greater openness to the fact that not everyone identifies as the gender they were born with. The way one dresses or expresses their gender is called gender expression. Gender roles have had no influence on how we perceive gender. Correct statements are: our identity is shaped by our traits and personality characteristics. Today, there is greater openness to the fact that not everyone identifies as the gender they were born with. The way one dresses or expresses their gender is called gender expression. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you prepare for the social studies test. Remember, Every bit of practice brings you closer to success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Your support means a lot and keeps us motivated to create more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.